contractioning the spine. Let's get the most length out of our spines as we can. As we're getting older, the discs between the vertebrae are beginning to dry out and we are getting shorter. The other thing that's going on, in addition to losing a little height, or maybe a lot, is that the space between the vertebrae is shrinking. And the nerves that come out of the spinal cord may be getting pinched because there's no space being held apart by those discs. And when they get pinched, otherwise known as a radiculopathy, which I'm pretty sure is in Harry Potter, but maybe it's not, can cause neuropathy, numbness, particularly that sciatic nerve gets numb as it's going down the legs. So let's get the most length we can get out of our spines. I'm going to turn away from you because you need to do this facing a wall. So you're going to stand in front of a wall and you're not going to lean into it. And you're going to place your hands on the wall and slide them up and press your hands, press your fingertips in the wall, and then slowly begin to lift your heels, sliding your hands up the wall, looking up at your fingertips and your palms of your hands, which you can't really see. And then slowly, slowly, slowly drop your heels downward, pressing the inside of the heels down before the outside of the heels and making sure not to lean into the wall. And then bring your hands down, close your eyes, press down into your feet, stretch your fingers down, take a few rounds of breath, and then open your palms and do it one more time. Hands on the wall. Slide your hands up. Keep lifting your hands up as you lift your heels. And then once you've pressed into the balls of your feet, slowly, slowly, slowly drop your heels down, inside of the heels before the outside. And then when your heels are always down to the bottom, hands down, close your eyes, and take a few rounds of breath. And then try this on your own one more time.